Picture this. You're cruising down a winding mountain road, the wind in your hair and your fingers effortlessly gliding over a steering wheel that feels more like a masterpiece than a mere accessory. Now imagine you're behind the wheel of the 2025 Range Rover, an SUV that doesn't just promise luxury, but delivers it in a way that will make you question everything you thought you knew about off-roading. This isn't just another luxury vehicle. This is an experience. Let's talk about the design first, because when you're buying a Range Rover, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a statement. The 2025 model doesn't just turn heads, it stops conversations. The sleek, elegant lines of the exterior blend sophistication with a touch of ruggedness that makes you feel like you could conquer both city streets and untamed trails. With that signature grille, that bold stance, and the futuristic yet timeless silhouette, the Range Rover looks like it was sculpted, not built. But here's the kicker. Those beautiful 23-inch wheels, they're not just for show. They're designed to handle anything from rough terrain to the smoothest highways. And those flush door handles? They don't just look cool, they add to the aerodynamic efficiency, making the Range Rover not only one of the most stunning vehicles on the road, but also one of the most efficient. Now let's talk performance. You've probably heard people say that luxury vehicles are all about comfort, not power. But when it comes to the 2025 Range Rover, that couldn't be further from the truth. Under the hood, this beauty packs a punch. With a range of powertrains, including a hybrid option, the 2025 Range Rover delivers more than just a smooth ride. It gives you raw power when you need it. Imagine effortlessly accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just a matter of seconds, all while surrounded by plush leather seats and an ultra-quiet cabin. Whether you're navigating a steep hill or cruising on the highway, this SUV makes sure that every drive is an event, not a commute. And those off-road capabilities? Let's just say this vehicle laughs in the face of rugged terrain. With the latest Terrain Response 2 system, the Range Rover adapts to whatever challenges you throw at it. Sand, mud, snow, you name it. It's a reminder that luxury doesn't have to mean you're stuck on paved roads, but it's not all about power and design. This vehicle is packed with features that put it in a class of its own. The interior? It's like stepping into a high-tech sanctuary. The 2025 Range Rover boasts a 13.1-inch curved touchscreen, which integrates flawlessly with the brand's new Pivi Pro system. Imagine controlling almost every aspect of your driving experience with just a tap, from adjusting the climate to selecting your playlist. It's the kind of tech that feels intuitive, like the car is reading your mind. And let's not forget the sound system. Meridian Audio has taken the in-car listening experience to a whole new level. With a 29-speaker system, it's like having your own personal concert wherever you go. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes or just enjoying the silence, the 2025 Range Rover ensures that every moment in the cabin is a sensory experience. But there's something that truly sets the 2025 Range Rover apart: its ability to make you feel like the world is at your feet. It's not just a luxury SUV, it's a lifestyle. For example, the available executive class seating is basically the first-class cabin of an airplane, but on the ground. From the massage function to the power reclining seats, long trips feel like a pampering session rather than a journey. And here's the surprising part. The 2025 Range Rover doesn't just make you feel special when you're inside, it takes care of your outside world too. The 360-degree camera system makes parking and navigating tight spaces a breeze, and the adaptive cruise control gives you a level of confidence that's almost like having a co-pilot. So, what do you think? Could the 2025 Range Rover be your next adventure companion? If you're as captivated by this luxurious beast as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and of course, subscribe for more car reviews that are as thrilling as the cars themselves. Until next time, keep driving in style.